Hey guys, on this video, we'll be talking about an investing checklist that I've made to give a lot of those people that aren't really sure about how to start doing market research a rubric or a guide to use when thinking about investing in a company. Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, I'm Romel, and on this channel we talk about all things related to finance, investing, and building wealth. We discuss mindsets, strategies, techniques, and resources to help you on your journey to build wealth. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. We produce new content every week. Alright, this video is going to be a little bit different than my usual stock analysis video because this is more of a gratitude video. I actually made a free investing checklist to help a lot of the beginners or anyone that's just looking for some sort of guidance into doing research on a specific company. I made a checklist for you guys. And this is a gratitude thing because, like I've said, we're a small channel and we're growing, and I've seen a lot of growth and engagement. And so I just want to do something to give back to the community. So I'll leave a link in the description down below to this checklist. Again, it's a 100% free. All you got to do is put your email address and sign up to my mailing list. It is something that you could definitely opt out of. But, the mailing list is important because it allows me to give you guys valuable information as I find them every week. So it'll be things such as news on certain companies or certain videos I'm making that aren't going to be public to YouTube. And also these free types of PDFs and digital products that I think would be of use to you guys. Let me know what you guys think. But to give you some insight into my checklist, I call it the Essential 7. So it's the 7 things that I usually look at when thinking about a company and whether or not I want to put my money into them. So it'll go into things such as understanding what the company does, understanding company leadership, understanding financials, and there's a whole bunch more. What's good about this checklist is that I actually do give you guys resources to help you kind of guide you towards the information. So it is 7 questions or 7 items that you should be thinking about when looking at companies, but I'm also telling you where you should look to find this information. Again, all you need to do is sign up. You can definitely opt out of this. This is not something that you should feel like you need to sign up for, but I do think that it is going to bring you guys some value. This is really brought upon a lot of research that I've done and forums and groups that I've been a part of, because there's a lot of questions, especially with new investors, about where to look, and how to find out information about companies. So let me know what you guys think. All right, this was a short video. Again, I just want to say thank you again for all the support and encouragement that you guys have been showing us and this channel. We are a small and growing channel, so if you are looking to contribute or support, feel free to subscribe down below. And let me know what you guys think. Download the PDF. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'm open to constructive criticism or any criticism for that matter. And yeah, I look forward to hearing you guys. As always, if you'd like to connect with me on other social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, I'll leave links in the description down below as well. Alright guys, this video was short and sweet. Hope you guys get some value out of my product, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.